Welcome back to my videos, guys. uh, yeah, today we are going to install these mud flaps. So for that we have to remove the screws here. So it's quite hard to remove it from here. Somehow I removed it, managed to remove it. So we have to remove the screw and check for the arch. The long one is for the rear, the short one is for front. So it will be like yeah, it will be placed like this. So you have to hold this and screw it back. From back we hook it like this. So I need some more screws here. So the same way I got to do all four sides. In the front it's pretty easy. So you can just rotate your tires and remove these and these screws here and install it in the front. That is it. And actually I don't like this mud flaps. For video purpose I'm just installing it. Just screw it properly. Even this side also. So you have to remove the screw here, this one, and just install, and you have to make another hole there to install. So as of I am not installing it, I will not be doing any alteration for that. So yesterday I have installed this. Today we are going to make a stickering for this car: headlight, tail lights, mirrors, everything, and the name for this car will become there. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel.